And we just talked about adding and subtracting functions. So the only two things left to do are to multiply them and to divide them. So we're going to take a look at that in this video, and again we're going to find the domain for each one of these functions. So when I'm going to multiply them, I'm going to write down, okay, I've got x minus 5, and now I'm going to multiply that by g of x. And when I do that, I'm going to have to FOIL. So you should be catching on quickly. And then I'm just going to write it in decreasing order, just kind of to get in the habit of doing that. So I have my answer. Now, the nice thing about this is, again, there's no denominator. So when we don't have a denominator, their domain is going to be all real numbers. So it goes from negative infinity to positive infinity, not including them. So now we're going to get to a division one. Maybe that's going to change the outcome. So I need to find my function f of x, so it's going to go on top. And now I'm going to divide by x squared minus 1. That's all you have to do. So that's what it is. Now I just need to find my domain. So when I have to find my domain, remember you're going to set the denominator equal to 0. I want to solve for x, so I get x squared equals 1. I take the square root of both sides. So I get x equals plus or minus 1. So that's what x can't be. Now I want to do the interval notation, so I want to draw it out. We're saying it can't be that, so it's going to be an open circle. So it's going to go from negative infinity to negative 1, not including. And then it can go from negative 1 to 1, not including either one. And then it can go from 1 to positive infinity.